back to our greenhouse video series, and in this video we're gonna do the final touches to make the greenhouse sealed. We actually have a few days later because we have been really busy with other things that you will see in my channel. We did get goat babies, so it has been really difficult to get back to the project and not spend all day with them because they're so cute. But we do have to continue because I also have my cute tomatoes that need to come out here and enjoy the nice heat. So let's seal it. Actually, yesterday evening we did put the wood all around, so you will see those clips first. And then I guess we're gonna continue with the door because we have to stain some wood. So let's get started. So our main plan the previous evening was to collect some rocks and put them on the bottom. If you have noticed, it does have a small gap that we were planning to cover with dirt, but we thought that adding the rocks might add a nice look, plus it will keep some heat, and we also could not put them too high up since we want to be cutting grass and don't want to cut into the plastic. And after piling up a nice row of rocks, we realized that we cannot continue since we have to put the wood flush. So we decided to do that first and then continue with the rocks once that is done.
Finally, we're using them, Baba.
Finally, they're being useful.
We bought them so long ago.
Bought them like 4 years ago. 3.
And for what purpose, honestly?
For the chicken house. The little chicken hole.
I mean, it would be indestructible chicken house.
Whoa, it's bending.
But it's meant to. David?
That's Des's greenhouse. You got right over it.
It's a one-time use. It's pretty good. $114. See if it fits even.
Pretty nice.
Yep. We'll just cut it and then we'll see. Why is it not perfect 45? I guess the frame is not perfect 45. Okay, we're gonna squeeze that in then.
Okay. Oh, looks pretty cute.
And put a little window in the middle.
It's all gonna be a window. Nice. I don't know why did we make such a big door.
Yeah, but look how cool it is.
It is pretty cool.
I'm gonna eat ice cream.
Ooh, let's eat some ice cream. If we eat ice cream in our greenhouse, we'll feel like summer.
You wanna bring that or I take it?
I'm bringing it if you get out of my way. No, I stacked it nicely. And I can also bring it. You stuck your own.
You should do a challenge to build a house from like the smallest wood possible. 238. I have a gun with a compressor. If you want to try that. And what I meant by that is that we have actually a paint spray gun which we've been holding on for 3 years. We bought it 3 years ago when we bought the compressor, but we've always been scared to use it since we didn't know how easy it is to clean, and I kept it kind of for more precise painting jobs which haven't really happened. So it's finally time to take it out of the box and use it, and let's see how it works. I missed some.
It's just going.
I don't think we actually needed to filter it because it's actually brand new. Okay.
Yeah.
I thought that we have put sticks in there, but I think we would have missed quite a bit more because this catches a lot.
Yeah.
You good?
I'm good.
Okay, stay still.
I didn't get dirty. Okay. Guys, it's kind of good. And why does it have to be windy?
Okay, maybe we should have brought also some
Go get a brush.
brush. Okay, you hold and stay still until it leaks.
Yeah, I can do that. What if I press it? Imagine a bucket full of that with chocolate pudding.
You're like Nutella for you, no?
Oh, yeah.
Can you hold it and lock it? Try. That's quite of a game changer. Oh, what? No.
Well, in theory, we could put them all together. And...
Damn, you're strong. We need to fill it up though, Biddy.
Sure.
Okay. Melee, amigas. Melee. Melee.
Melee!
I really hope we have measured these correct. Okay, that one's good. That one is good enough, I guess.
Looks really cool.
Yeah. So the door is finished, as you can see. Now we can close it fully to get our heat and temperature up to the actual greenhouse temperature, because of course it was blowing a lot of wind in. And these ones here definitely finished it off a lot nicer. And we are gonna add the same ones here since we cut them already and stained them, and also for the top. So let's get on with that and see exactly how it finishes fully from exterior, and it's gonna look so much more beautiful, I think, with all this like extra touches. How does that look? whole lot better, no?
Yeah.
That kind of does finish it, doesn't it?
Yeah, I told you, it is worth it.
Sometimes you just gotta go that extra step.
Much better.
Not that bad. So as you can see, we are done. It looks so much better already. I feel like this added touch just really makes a difference. And we also did find this old handle and gave it a quick paint job, painted it white and also clear coated it. So hopefully that paint lasts. Underneath it was zinced, so that doesn't really combine so well with paint, but hopefully it does stay on there. We added also hookies, so we have it hooked. I do want a latch instead here, so it kind of closes much nicer, because now it kind of, you know, goes quite a bitty movement, which I wanted more tight, so it also goes more sealed up for the night. But overall, I feel like it's turning out really good for just like a quick, easy budget build. Pretty much 3-4 days of work we have put into it. And I feel like we have gotten pretty good greenhouse. So yeah, in the next video, we are going to do final things, which is adding shelves for Desperate to pre-plant, because we still need to pre-plant. We're not going to add the beds or remove the windows. These will be windows, so don't worry, we'll have a lot of ventilation, but we will be adding that later on, probably in May, since we don't need it anytime soon. It is perfectly still too cold almost, so we don't really need the ventilation yet. So, but that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. We're gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye.